ffrind neu blentyn neu anifail anwes, your little pet or whatever, we're using the T. Right? We've been concentrating on chi before now. Shwd I chi, I ble eithdoch chi. We're now concentrating on T. So for the statement, rwy ti. Yeah? Rwy ti'n byw ym Pontypridd. You live in Pontypridd. Question, what do? We lose that R and it becomes a Wyt ti. And the yes, wyt ti'n byw ym Pontypridd? Ydw. What about yes, we do? Ydyn. Yet another one I sneaked in there. Fantastic. Ydw nac ydw. Now, what about where? Ble. Where are you? Ble wyt ti? Yn y gogledd, lle wyt ti? Yeah, lle wyt ti? When are you going?
Pryd
wyt ti'n mynd? Yeah, we've got the question there. Pryd wyt ti'n mynd? What are you doing?
Beth wyt ti'n wneud?
Beth wyt ti'n wneud? Yeah, beth wyt ti'n wneud? Beth wyt ti'n wneud? It doesn't matter, it's all there, flowing nicely. And how are you? Sut wyt ti? Now, yn y gorffennol, instead of eithoch chi, we have es ti. Es ti, Angela, es ti I Gaerdydd dros y penwythnos?
Do.
Do. See what's lovely about this? Do, this past tense. I could say eithoch chi I Gaerdydd or es ti I Gaerdydd, and we've got the same do. Oh, did you? Pam? Why?
Es I weld I fy mam.
Es I weld, es ti I weld y fam. You see, yma da iawn, es I weld fy mam. Now 10. Oes, this pattern here, and a gogledd, you'll see, oes gen ti, do you have? It follows a similar pattern to the English. And a de, oes something gyda ti. Is there something with you? It still means do you have or have you got? Iawn? Oes amser gyda ti. You know? Oes teledu gyda ti. Iawn? Oes and nac oes. And the commands where we had before, eistedd wch, now we have with a T, eistedd a. Bydd to be, byddwch yn dawel, or byddan dawel. Byddan dawel. Iawn. Felly, rwy ti, wyt ti, es ti, oes something gyda ti, eistedda. So the familiar. Iawn? Siarad a ffrind, siarad a plentyn. Iawn. Nawr te. Dwi eisiau edrych ar y sgript bach arall. Nawr ten, tro ma, this time, maybe John can help out. Iawn? John I helpu I ddarllen. A Marie. Nawr ten. Yn y sgript sydd gyda fi fan hyn, in the script, enw'r sgript ydy Tom yn ceisio bachu. Nawr ten, what a word, bachu, isn't it? Hook. He's trying to chat her up. Nawr ten. A mae yna cwpl o eiriau, there's a couple of words here. Sut wyt ti ers talwm? Ers talwm. Since a long time, you know, I haven't seen you in ages, since a long time. Rhywbeth, something, wyt ti eisiau rhywbeth? We had the menu before, and gai helpu chi, wyt ti eisiau rhywbeth? Llynedd, last year, llynedd. Bendigedig, love that word, bendigedig. Show me your punches. Where's the emphasis? Bendigedig. Lovely, bendigedig. One of my favourite words. Nawr te, dipyn bach o actio os gawn ni. John, mas fan hyn. Dere man. Dere is another form of can for the T. You know, Dere a Marie. Nawr te. Dyma'r sefyllfa. The situation, of course, is my Tom, yn y sgript Tom, mae Tom ag Efa wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg. I've been learning Welsh. A nawr maen nhw'n cwrdd, they haven't seen each other ers talwm, maen nhw'n cwrdd eto. A mae John yn ceisio bachu. He's trying to bachu. He's going to try and chat her up. Let's see how they get on.
Helo, Eva.
Oh, hello, Tom.
Sut oed ti ers talwm?
Da iawn, diolch. A ti?
Da iawn. Oed ti eisiau rhywbeth I yfed?
Dim diolch.
Ble oed ti'n byw nawr, Eva?
Dwi'n byw yn y ddinas.
Oes partner gyda ti?
Nac oes ti?
Nac oes, oed ti'n gweithio?
Ydw, dwi'n gweithio yn y banc. Ble oed ti'n gweithio?
Ar y fferm gyda dad. O,
Keep going, keep
o,
going.
mae frinda fi.
Dim problem.
Es ti ar wyliau llynedd?
Do, i Sbaen.
Sut oedd y tawedd?
Bendigedig, diolch.
Wyt ti eisiau rhywbeth nawr?
Ti?
Fi?
O na, mae'n flin dy fi. Te, paned o de, os gwelwch chi'n dyn dda.
Iawn.
Dreni. Dreni. Na dreni. Wyt ti... Ond mae'n boeth ydy dwi'n gwybod, na dreni. Wyt ti. So, when friends meet like that, using the T, the familiar, you know, and even if you're trying to chat somebody up, wyt ti, it's being familiar, being close. Ond just ymarfer efo ti ar chi. O iawn? Good, da iawn. Felly, rwy ti'n barod? You are ready? Question, wyt ti'n barod? Ydw, nac ydw. Ble wyt ti'n mynd? Pryd wyt ti'n mynd? What are you doing? Beth wyt ti'n neud? Sut wyt ti? And then the past tense, ti with do a naddo. Es ti, goginiais ti, cerddais ti, do a naddo. With the regular verbs like weithiais ti, cerddais ti, bwytais ti, or with the irregular ones like es ti. Iawn? Felly, pawb yn hapus? Pawb tan tro nesa ta? Wel ei, ti o chi. Iawn? Hwyl.
Oes te yma?
Oes, yn y tebot.
Pryd ti'n mynd i'r gwaith?
4 gloch.
Iawn. Lle ti'n mynd rwan?
Lanlofft.
Iawn, lle ti'n mynd efo'r bocs na?
Box?
Ie, y bocs na.
Oh, a box.
Okay.
Yn y vallis, lady. Look.